Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through the simple steps you can take to hide notifications on your lock screen, specifically for posts from people you follow on the X app. This quick adjustment is perfect if you want more privacy or simply prefer a cleaner lock screen without constant updates showing up. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to the main settings menu. This is where you control everything related to your apps and notifications. Scroll down until you find apps, then tap on it to see the full list of applications installed on your device. Next, look for the X app in your apps list and open it. Once you're inside, you'll see different options for managing how this app sends alerts to your phone. Tap on Notifications to move forward. Here you'll notice multiple categories for different types of alerts. To get more detailed control, select Notification Categories. This is the section that allows you to fine-tune specific types of notifications, instead of just turning them all on or off. Now, scroll until you spot the option labeled Posts from people you follow. Tap on that to open all of its settings. This is the key to stopping those posts from popping up on your lock screen every time someone you follow shares something new. Inside, locate the lock screen option. Tap it, and you'll be presented with a few choices for how these alerts behave. Choose Don't Show Notifications. By selecting this, you're telling your phone that while the app can still notify you in other ways, it won't display those updates right on the lock screen. And that's it. You've successfully customized your notification settings for the X app, so that posts from people you follow no longer appear on the lock screen. This way, your lock screen stays clear for only the alerts that matter most to you, giving you both privacy and peace of mind. If you want, you can repeat the same process for other categories within the app to really refine what shows up. Simple adjustments like this help keep your device organized and tailored to your personal preferences,